Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to go from this white lace to this melted balm install. And so this company right here is going to be by AFSISTERWIG. They sent me over a 24-inch 150% density 13x6 lace wig. And so here you all, those curls actually came with the wig, and they do have the adjustable straps. Unfortunately, it can be removed, but you will see later on right here on the sides, those cannot be removed. Yeah, but I really didn't feel them when I installed the wig. So I did go in, of course, and I did pre-pluck this wig a little bit more because you all know I love pre-plucked wigs. So here's the white lace. This is what we're going to be working with. And so this is going to be the lace tint overlay from Taylor Crowns. I love this line. I did not like the last line, but I definitely love this line right here. This color definitely melts in, and one thing I like it is that I could switch it over. If it's wintertime, I can just do a light coat, and then if it's summer and I've gotten a little bit darker, I can definitely put about 2 or 3 coats on there. And so here I'm showing you all on the right side, it is going to be colored, and the left side is going to be the transparent lace, and you can see right there the difference. I hope you can see. And so here I'm just going in and I am just finishing up. You want to spray you want to spray everything, like including the parting, because if you don't, it's going to be white or like a gray cast. So here, I don't know if you can see the difference, but I will definitely be doing a close-up of the install. And here I'm going to be showing you a piece of how it blends in, and that is with no glue or nothing. So just imagine how melted this is going to look. And so, of course, I'm just doing I'm just taking off the lace like usual, and I am applying my favorite Ghost Bond. And so it's going to either be this Ghost Bond I'll be using, or I'm going to be using like just a regular Got2b glue. But because I'm going to be using this install for like about 2-3 days, I am only going to be putting on 2 coats because it definitely lasts. And here, ooh, girl, look at this. I'm going to be just laying it down. You definitely want to take your time when you are doing this, because you can definitely mess it up, and then once the stickiness starts going away, you're going to have to take the glue off and reapply. So here I'm showing me moving very fast, but in actuality, this takes me about 5 to 8 minutes to do this. So afterwards, you want to definitely wrap your hair up so you can let it melt. And I usually leave my hair wrapped for about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes I might even apply heat. And then here I'm just going to be parting some baby hairs and swooping them over. I think my baby hairs was kind of like a little bit overly done this time, but it's okay. You know, we still look good. And so I'm going to be using just the regular gel. I forgot what it's called, but I will definitely leave all of the things that I used in this video down in the description box. But here I'm just using some regular gel. You can use foam. I like to use both. It just depends what's closer. And then afterwards, I just go ahead and just put down the baby hairs. And then you will be seeing me unwrapping my hair. I usually leave this on for about 5 minutes. Sometimes it just depends on the hair type. I like the little hard cast, because I find it though is that when I try to like go ahead and loosen up the baby hairs, it all comes up, and then it's not sticking, and then it just ends up blending with the regular hair. So sometimes I do just leave it plastered to my forehead. Like I said, it just depends on the hair type. And then here I'm using the KeraCare Waxstick with the hot comb from Amazon, and I'm just going ahead and laying down everything. Now, one thing about this hair, oh gosh, excuse me. One thing about this hair is that it definitely looks full when you'll be able to see. It looks full or whatever. But once you go ahead and you melt all this down and you flat iron, this 150% is definitely thin. If I was buying this wig, I would definitely be getting, I would definitely want to get 180%, or I would say higher up. I don't know. I guess the next number is like, what, 200? And so, here you're seeing that it looks full. It looks like, oh, okay, yeah, like, you know, it's giving you almost 180% vibes. And then I'm going to be showing you all. I'm just going to be putting a few little curls in there. And then once I do the ponytail and it gets flat, it's just like, yeah, no, this is definitely very thin. But for 150% density, for people who don't like thick hair, I definitely aim this wig towards you. This is actually a very good wig. And this also, the knots do come bleached. And so, like I said, I did pre-pluck it a little bit more. I did not like the little bit of pre-pluck. I don't know. I feel sometimes that it would just really save them a lot of hair. So I don't understand why they don't pre-pluck. But to each their own. And so here, like I'm showing you all, once it starts to everything's to get flat, it's just like it's kind of thin. But if you like that, definitely check out this wig. Make sure you use my coupon code. I am going to leave it on the screen, and I'm definitely going to leave that in the description box below. Let me know what you all think about this wig, and I will get you loves in the video. Bye guys.
Falling for you. Falling down by the wayside, girl, I've been falling, my love. Even a man, them calling me always man. Seeing how you're wanting, you know they give me warning. You put me on a long thing, we ain't even talking. You ain't even online, but girl, you got me logged in. Are you there? Are you there? Babe, on this.